Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video. I am Tsholo Phoka for those that are new to this channel. On this video, I'm going to be doing this easy and elegant protective hairstyle that requires no braiding at all. This protective hairstyle is great for when you're on the run but still want something fancy and elegant to do on your hair. It's so beautiful and also so quick, so you can do it in a snap. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. And without talking too much, let's get straight into the video. And before I forget, do not forget to enter the giveaway, which is closing on Wednesday. And let's get straight into this video. I'm going to be using hair ties that are cut off old stockings and also a comb to open my lines. I'm going to be doing two side parts, so I'm going to open one side part on the left and also one side part on the right. When I'm done opening that side part, I'm just going to hold my hair back with the clip. On top, I'm going to do 3 sections that we're going to use to do that style that we want on top. So after sectioning my hair, I'm going to tie that first section to the side. You can choose which side you want. You can tie it to the left or to the right. After tying down that section, I'm also going to pull it a bit just to make sure that it's tight and also flat. So after doing those 3 sections, I'm going to move the hair on the sides to the back and do a low bun. The way I always tie my hair into a bun is with a cut hair tie. I'm going to take that hair tie string and just tie it around my hair, going around my hair until it is enough for me to tuck it in. As I said, when I get to the end, I'm going to tuck the ends of that hair tie into my hair, and then I'm going to use a hair clip just to clip that tie down. So now the fun part, I'm going to take that first section and separate it into 2 parts on the loose ends, and then I'm going to round those loose ends around the second section. After doing that, I'm going to tie that first section behind the second section as so. And then do the same to the third section. Take the second section, round it behind the third section and tie it down. that first section is popping out, so I'm just going to hide it underneath some hair. You can also do this using some extensions for our shorter naturals. Do leave a comment below if you'd like me to do this hairstyle with extensions. So when I'm done with that third section, I'm going to take that hair popping out there and I'm going to clip it down near my bun. And now for the bun, you have three options here. You can leave it as is, or you can twist it and put it into a neat bun, or use extensions. I'm just going to twist it up and clip those ends. These are loose twists. They don't have to be too tight or neat because we're going to clip them up into a bun. So I'm doing 3 of these and I'm going to clip them around each other to make that beautiful bun. This is very optional. Now I'm going to do my edges. I'm going to use the HAIRSTYLE gel and I'm going to sleek my edges. I'm basically done now, but I just wanted those sleek edges for this hairstyle. I'm also putting a bit of some gel onto that hair on the sides, just to lay that hair down. When I'm done putting gel and laying my edges, I'm going to put a satin scarf just for a few minutes until that gel is dry. And when the gel is dry, this is how the protective hairstyle looks. This is the most easiest protective hairstyle I've ever done. It is simple and yet so beautiful and elegant, and you can wear it for any occasion. Leave a comment below on more videos you'd like to see.
So guys, when I say a protective hairstyle is it, this is it. It is easy, it is efficient, and also it is elegant. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.